Good morning, YouTubers. Mike the Fixer here. Man, I was excited. I was on Facebook Marketplace last night. Somebody had a big block, 72, for real cheap money. I got a hold of him right away, and yeah, he vaguely got back to me this morning, but I think he sold it. He marked it as sold. Anyway, guess what I got in the mail? Look at this. Huh? You might be saying, wow, look at that. That looks like that company GripMat, doesn't it? Yeah, well, GripMat wants, I could buy 7 of these for one of the price of their stuff. You know, it's a free marketplace, capitalism, they can do what they want, but that's a little rich for my blood, and I think most of you out there will agree. This is what this is if anybody of you has a boyfriend, girlfriend, lover, partner, or whatever's politically correct to say, in the kitchen, you might find these if they do any baking. These are silicone. This is a pan cake tray. Got it on Amazon, a little company called Amazon. You may have heard of. This is called a Silvio? Yeah. They're silicone. They're silicone base. That's all the stuff is. It's flexible. Seems to hold up. They make different sizes. I figured this was a good depth. They had a real thin one. It was bigger. I don't know what the hell. I figured that might be nice to have. But that's my review. Amazon review right there for you. Cake pan slash, we'll call it grip mat. All right. Go save yourself some money, folks. America.